This is the example video for exponent to radical form. Okay, so our first one is 7 to the 1/2. Okay, so remember our formula, we've got any base to the power of b over a can be written as the a root of x to the b power. Okay, so in this case, our b is 1 and our a is 2. Okay, so we can rewrite this as our a is 2, our base is 7, not x, and our power is 1. Okay, and just to simplify this a little more, 7 to the first power we know is just 7. Okay, and when we have the number 2 out here, this is the same thing as a square root. Okay, so we actually don't even need to put that 2. There we are. Pause if you need more time. Okay, we have 6 to the 5/3. Okay, so this is our b, this is our a. So we know our denominator here will come out in front of our radical. So we've got the third root, or the cube root, of our base, which is 6 to the 5th power. Okay, now we're throwing a variable in there. Okay, so we've got our b up top, our a down bottom, and our base is going to be 6v, and it's all in parentheses. Okay, so we've got the cube root of 6v all to the first power. And I don't have to write parentheses or actually put that 1, the power of 1, because I know 6v to the power of 1 is just 6v. Number 4, I've got 5 is my b, 4 is my a, okay, 3n is in parentheses, so that's my entire base. So my a will come out front, so I have a 4th root. Parentheses, I'm going to put 3n, okay, and my power is 5. So that would be our answer right there. On to the next one. Okay, here we've got b to the negative 4/5. So first off, what we need to do, we need to remember our property of negative exponents. Okay, so if we're given something x to the negative a, we can rewrite that as 1 over x to the positive a. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over b to the positive 4/5. So all I did was cross the line and switch the sign. So now I'm just going to simplify b to the 4/5 in the denominator. Okay, so my b is 4, my a is 5, so I know I'm going to have the 5th root of b to the 4th in my denominator, and I'm going to have a 1 in my numerator. On to the last one. Okay, I've got 4x all to the negative 5/3. My 4x is in parentheses, so I know that will be my entire base. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cross the line and switch the sign. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over 4x to the positive 5/3. I've got my b and my a, so I know my denominator for my rational exponent will be my root. So I've got the cube root of 4x, don't forget the parentheses here, all to the fifth power. And in my numerator, I've got a 1. Okay, if you think you've got the hang of it, I would move on to the practice for exponent to radical form.